Recently, I went to a book, it's Atomic Habit, and there was written like one small step every day can make a big change over time. So this also goes to our health condition, also our heart condition. Suppose one person is hypertensive, so reducing salt intake to a hypertensive patient, it can give a immense effect on hypertension. It can reduce the blood pressure even without medication. So for that person, I will say that suppose in the day 1 you reduce the extra salt intake, the day 2 you reduce suppose pickle intake in your food, so day 3 you reduce the salty biscuit intake. Similarly, if you reduce the any salty food day by day, you can discover that after 1 month or 2 months you have reduced the salt intake like significantly, and your BP also has reduced a lot. So likewise, if the person is having diabetes, then suppose we all of us we know that we have to reduce the sugar. Along with sugar, you reduce the any sugary beverages, you reduce the more carbohydrate food. So that also one day, then next day, in that way you can reduce or you can reach your goal over the time. Similarly, if you are having high obesity is there, if your weight is more, then you reduce the weight. How you have to reduce the weight? You have to do exercise. How to do the exercise? At least first day you go for 5 minutes walk, the second day you can go for 10 minutes walk, then third day you walk and you also run, the fourth day you try to run. So accordingly you will find that after 6 months or 1 year you can run one whole hour, and your weight has reduced significantly and you are more fit than before. I'll request that you cannot do things over the night, but small steps every day, if you can adapt, then definitely you can reach your goal over time.